It can be a school where young kids are reading their books out, or it can be a factory where giant machines are roaring 24 hours every day. One after another heat pump, long or short, just standing there quiet. Burbling and burbling, hot water keeps flowing when someone opens the faucet, pumping heat constantly to where it is needed. But the heat pumps are still quietly standing outside of the window. The first idea was to provide an individual customer what they needed, from the development of product, exterior design, production and assembly of products, to the delivery to every customer. The final installation and warranty service that comes later. Chengfang Service Energy would like to do it all by our own hands. Listen to every customer for what they need and provide our professional suggestions. All we ask for is the smile on satisfied customers' faces. Founded in 2008, Chenfang started out as a dealer selling solar-powered water heaters. Back then, a lot of manufacturers did not take what bothered the general consumers seriously. On top of that, the asymmetry of information forced the consumers to take these manufacturers' beautiful words blindly. That is why Chenfang decided to build our own brand of heat pump to give customers the best systems, equipment, service, and most professional suggestions. And this has become the core of Chenfang. More than 10 years later, we are still what we set out to be, and that makes Chenfang one of the government's suppliers for SBIR solar heat pumps. We have been dedicated to product design and development ever since the first day. The patents and invention awards are the testimony of our hard work and recognition from all corners of society. More than 10 years of experience is what helps Chenfang establish partnerships with multiple universities. In order to make our ideas seen, Chenfang is playing actively in attending domestic and international trade shows in Slovakia, Tokyo, India, Kaohsiung, and Taipei. We believe we have to go out there and market the best products in the name of Taiwan. Chenfang features a wide range of products, including patented combination heat pump water heater, DC circulating heat pump, alternating heat pump, double tube electric water heater with thermal reservoir, vacuum tube panel solar water heater. The number and layout of solar energy vacuum tubes and panels are arranged to satisfy customers' hot water needs depending on the size of the customer and environment. Patented parts. Predicting servicing system. The system predicts and tells us servicing need days before the needs come up. Wi-Fi power and temperature monitoring system on cell phone. Remote monitoring on app is capable of controlling heat pump on and off, power demands, and power consumption. We originally used gas water heater at home, but the water temperature changed when we took a shower, and the water pressure also appeared to be insufficient. There was once that, when a cold wave attacked, the water provided by the heater was little and rather cold. After comparing a number of products, we chose Chenfang Service Energy's heat pump as it provides very low heating costs. Also, there is no need to change the heat rod, and the pump does not have the limescale issue. Furthermore, it can reduce the chance of carbon monoxide poisoning. Although the equipment cost at the beginning is high, safety is somehow priceless. In order to provide customers the most professional service, Chenfang pays significant attention to the professional training of employees. Every one of our employees is very familiar with solar heat pump professionally. With the spirits of customers first and service first, Chenfang has been consistent for more than 10 years and takes one solid step at a time forward where we set out to go. Innovation, energy saving, and beautiful life, Chenfang is dedicated to the thermal energy saving business in Taiwan and considers ourselves as a partner of our clients. The heart filled with enthusiasm and pursuit for perfection drives us to do our jobs as good as we can. While saving energy for customers, we hope our children and theirs will have a wonderful and beautiful living environment.